Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify mobile usability issues with Search Console, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify mobile usability issues with Search Console, start by signing into your Google Search Console. Select the property you want to check for mobile usability issues. On the left-hand menu, look for the Mobile Usability Report under the Enhancements section. Click on Mobile Usability to open the report. Here, you will see an overview of the usability metrics for your website. If there are any issues, they will be listed alongside the affected pages. Review the list of mobile usability issues provided in the report. Click on any issue to see more details about how it affects your website. Take note of the specific pages that are causing problems. Common issues may include text that is too small, clickable elements that are too close together, or content wider than the screen. To fix these issues, go back to your website and make the necessary adjustments. After making changes, it's important to retest the affected pages. Return to the Mobile Usability Report in Search Console. At the top right of the report, you will find the Validate Fix button. Click Validate Fix to prompt Google to recrawl the affected pages. This process may take some time, so be patient as changes are analyzed. Once Google completes the validation, check back in the Mobile Usability Report for updates. You should see an increase in mobile usability scores if the issues are resolved. Regularly monitor your mobile usability report to maintain an optimal user experience. This proactive approach ensures that your website remains mobile-friendly and accessible to all users. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.